Hi guys! Welcome to Rian.tv. Today I have a very special guest with me,
Kayla Booker.
And she's like my really good friend. And today we are going to dry out some of her flowers with silica gel. It's super easy, so easy a caveman could do it. So let's see how it's done. Okay, so we have our bin. Okay, these are those really cheap bins you get from Walmart for like 80 cents or something like that. Scissors. And this awesome stuff. It's silica gel. Okay? Sometimes it comes in a box. This time it just so happened to come in a bag. You can get it at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Or actually, I don't know if Walmart carries it or not. I know that Michael's does. It's usually with like their floral designing stuff. And then of course our flowers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out. Alright, and we're gonna snip it. Okay, we wanna leave a little bit of the stem there. Okay, so we literally have the bud. We have all of our little flowers cut and our buds. Now we're going to take the little tub and we are going to put a base layer of the silica gel down in the bottom. And kind of stick the buds in there. Okay, once we get our buds in there, okay, you're gonna gently pour some more silica gel. Okay. Kind of put it in between the flowers. It'll eventually get up in there. Alright, and then you're gonna put the lid on and let it sit for about a week or two. We have the flowers in the bins. As you can see, they are completely covered, well, most of the way covered anyways. And now we're gonna come back in a week. We're gonna test them out at a week, and then we're gonna test them out at 2 weeks. It showed on the package that once the silica gel turns pink, it's like taking all the moisture out that it possibly can. The good thing about this stuff is that we can stick it in the oven and it completely refurbish them so we can use them again. How awesome is that?
Awesome.
That's awesome sauce. I love it. I love being able to reuse stuff because I don't like throwing anything away. So we're gonna do part of this video on that as well. So stay tuned. Hey guys. Hi. Kayla's back with me today. Super excited. Okay. Let's see. It's been 2 months.
2 months.
Since we did the flower drying video. They've been drying for 2 months. So the silica gel, as you can see in the video, has turned pink in one box and the other box kind of stayed a little bit blue. The reason for that is the silica gel actually turns pink whenever it cannot take any more liquid out of the flowers. You can actually probably use this silica gel again without putting it in the oven to dry it. So today we're gonna make a shadow box with these floral picks. You can get these little wooden ones, and really all they are is like a giant toothpick with wire attached to the end of it. I'll show you what they look like. They're just like little pieces of, and then you unwind them from this spool of wire. And I'll show you how to attach those here in a second. But you can also get these little metal ones that just clamp over the end and then you just shove it in. But these will work too. So basically you just like wrap the wire around the flower and the pick itself, and then you just stick it into the styrofoam. Okay, so we just got finished doing the shadow box.
It's so pretty. Thank you, Ian.
I'm so excited we got to do this. This is exciting. I've never worked with flower drawing before, so it was an experience for me. Okay, so we'll see you next time. Bye!
Toodles.
Did you like this video or have one you'd like to see us make? Go to Rian.tv or comment below. Also, don't forget to follow me to keep up with the newest episodes. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Happy crafting!